Welcome to Best Choice. The best AC stop leak is probably one of the most overlooked solutions for maintaining your vehicle's air conditioning system. If you're experiencing a loss of refrigerant and suspect a minor leak, this product could be a game changer. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of AC stop leak, exploring its effectiveness, ease of use, and whether it's the right choice for your specific AC woes. Number 5. AC Pro R134A Refrigerant Leak Stop Kit. Is your car's air conditioner not working as well as it used to? This kit is designed to repair leaks in your car's AC system. It contains refrigerant and additives to get you back to cool comfort. This product repairs metal leaks in evaporators, condensers, compressors, accumulators, and receiver dryers. It helps to ensure that the refrigerant stays where it should be, keeping your AC running efficiently. It also seals rubber leaks in O-rings, gaskets, and hoses. This feature helps prevent the loss of refrigerant, which is crucial for the proper functioning of your air conditioning system. The kit includes a red dye to help you detect leaks that might be too large to repair. This allows you to identify the source of the problem and take appropriate action. It comes with a reusable dispensing hose designed for compliance and to work only with R134A cans with self-sealing valve can tops. This makes it easy and safe to use, ensuring a proper seal and preventing leaks. What we like. This product repairs both metal and rubber leaks, which is a great feature. It also includes a red dye to help you detect the leak. If you have multiple types of leaks in your AC system, this product is a good choice for you. What people say. Worked perfectly. I installed this leak sealer and it solved my leak problem in my AC unit. It also has a leak marker that you can use an ultraviolet light to see where the leak is coming from. It says it seals evaporator leaks, compressor seal leaks, and numerous other leaks. Installed this product almost 4 months ago and it is still blowing cold. Number 4. Leak Saver Direct Inject 3-in-1 AC Leak Sealer. Introducing the Leak Saver Direct Inject. This product is a 3-in-1 solution, designed to seal leaks, remove moisture, and detect leaks with UV dye. It's an all-in-one package for complete system treatment. This product permanently seals refrigerant leaks. It reacts with air and moisture at the leak site to create a permanent seal. It's also great for preventative maintenance, circulating safely within the system. The Leak Saver works with all systems and refrigerants, except ammonia. It's compatible with car AC systems, central air conditioners, and more. It works with various refrigerants, including R410A and R22. Installation is straightforward. You can inject it directly into the system with a manifold gauge set. For automotive systems, you'll need a standard 134A adapter. Mini splits may require a 5/16" to 1/4 adapter. The product is safe for all tools and parts. It won't damage manifold gauges, hoses, or expansion valves. It's designed to be a safe solution for your HVAC system. With over 4 million units sold since 2015, this is a trusted product among HVAC professionals. It's proudly made in the USA, and the company stands behind the quality of the product. What we like. This product is a 3-in-1 solution, sealing leaks, removing moisture, and including UV dye. It is compatible with all systems and refrigerants, making it versatile. If you are looking for a comprehensive solution for your AC system, this is the one for you. What people say. Sealed my evaporator that was leaking where I could see it on the end plate facing out. This product is easier to use and contains all steps needed to inject it into the system. It infused in seconds. Number 3. BlueDevil Red Angel 49496 AC Stop Leak. Is your air conditioning system leaking? This product is designed to fix that. It's a reliable solution for sealing those frustrating leaks. This product effectively repairs leaks in condensers, evaporators, hoses, gaskets, and O-rings. It's designed to work on multiple components, providing a comprehensive fix. Worried about clogs? Don't be. It contains no solid particles, ensuring it won't clog your AC system or damage your recovery unit. Whether you have an R12 or R134A system, this product has you covered. It forms a chemical weld to permanently seal those leaks. This product offers a safe and permanent solution. You can trust it to provide a lasting seal, backed by a guarantee. What we like. This product forms a permanent chemical weld to seal leaks. It contains no solid particles, ensuring it won't clog your system. If you like a guaranteed, long-lasting solution, this product is the perfect choice. What people say. Seems to work as expected and does not damage other parts of the system. If I did not see it with my own eyes I would not have believed it. Ford F-150 would leak the refrigerant out overnight, because of leaking front seal in the compressor. It has been a week and still ice cold, saved work and money. It must have some type of seal conditioner in it, anyway worked for me. I don't trust things like this, probably because I cannot figure out how they work, but I tried it, and it really does work. I had a small leak, enough to deplete 1/3 of the refrigerant in my old 1993 Audi in just 4 months. That amounts to about 50 G per month, and a sniffer could not locate the leak. 8 months later, the AC still works as it should. Number 2. Aerosol AC Leak Stop Seals, 4 ounces. This product is designed for auto and truck maintenance. It comes in a 4-ounce size. This will help seal any leaks in your air conditioning system. The package dimensions are 21 inches in height, 18 inches in length, and 18 inches in width. It's a convenient size for storage and handling. The package weighs 6.7 pounds. This makes it easy to carry and transport. This product is made in the United States. You can trust the quality and craftsmanship of this product. This is a great product for maintaining your car or truck. It is a reliable solution for your vehicle's needs. What we like. This product is designed for auto and truck maintenance. It is easy to use. If you are looking for a simple solution for your vehicle's AC system, this is a great option. What people say. It sealed the seals. My AC compressor seals were leaking and this Aerosol AC leak stop seal fixed the problem with just one 4 ounces can. I added a bit of refrigerant and the AC blows cold air now. Number 1. ENVIRO-SAFE ProSeal XL4 1.5 to 5 ton stop leak 3-pack. Introducing the ENVIRO-SAFE ProSeal XL4. This product is designed to stop leaks in your AC system. It's a reliable solution for your home or contracting needs. This is a concentrated formula, meaning a little goes a long way. It's designed for efficiency and effectiveness, providing a powerful seal. You don't need to pump down your system before using it. This feature saves you time and effort during the application process. This product is suitable for heat pumps, split and mini-split systems, packaged units, and microchannel coils. It's versatile and adaptable to different setups. It is designed for systems ranging from 1.5 to 5 tons. Make sure it is compatible with your system's specifications. It works with all refrigerants except ammonia. This makes it a flexible choice for various AC systems. What we like. This product features a concentrated formula and doesn't require pump down. It is suitable for a wide range of systems. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile solution for your AC system, this is the one for you. What people say. Kept me from replacing my old unit. Works perfectly. My heat pump has now run for a year without adding any refrigerant. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.